but you never know. One more. Got it. On dimes too. $2 minimum. I got the free games. $2 minimum dimes. Well, let's see what we can do. Let me widen it out here so you can see the rest of it. Here we go. Hello everyone, welcome in. I'm here at Potawatomi. Going to be playing Ultimate Firelink. This one is, I believe, the Glacier one. Yep, Glacier Gold. Couldn't remember off the top of my head. I'm here with Midwest Slots. Go check her channel out. Money Matt Slots is here too, somewhere around here. So, all right, we put $60 cash in. I activated $10 in free play and see what we can do on it. Usually like to play nickels on here at least. Sometimes 2 cents. This is a newer cabinet, so you got to keep readjusting the volume every time you switch. Here we go. Start with a $1 bet. Start. Come on, 2 more. All right, free play's done, and we made 75 cents off of $10. so we're going to dimes. We're gonna do the minimum bet as $2. See if I can prove myself wrong, because I said to Midwest Slots, I do not like this bank of Ultimate Firelinks because they seem a lot tighter than the ones upstairs, the older ones, because these are in new cabinets. Never had good luck on them, but you never know. One more. Got it. On dimes too. $2 minimum. I got the free games. $2 minimum dimes. Well, let's see what we can do. Let me widen it out here so you can see the rest of it. Here we go. Come on, we need to get some more free games though. Got to keep it going. There we go. So every time you get a fireball, you get that amount. So that's $8. Keep it going. Speakers are already blowing on these new ones. Just keep getting the free games with it. All right, nice numbers. We need those free games. We only have 2 left. There we go. Thank you. Keep going. Free games. There you go. Thank you again. Keep it going. Free games. Got 1 left. Come on, let's get it. Free games. Nice. Didn't get anything with it, but keeps us going. Come on, a whole bunch of free games. Well, not going to complain. $71 bonus. So now Money Matt's over there. Now I can show them. That's Money Matt Slots. Go check them out. If you never heard, drink them if you got them. Go watch his channel. You'll hear it a lot.
Someday he'll come up with a shirt.
All right, well, we put $60 in and $10 on free play, and we're up to $118. And back-to-back bonus. That's why you do your backup spins. Well, I guess this slot wanted to prove me wrong. This is the bad bank. Let's widen her out a little here. Here we go. Mini up here is 121 bucks. Need 2 more. Go and open up the next one. Let's break that glass. All right. Need 1 more now. Saw a miner going around. And that miner, there we go, broke it. That miner's 428. Need 3 more to open the next one up. All right, come on. I saw the miner again. We got plenty of real estate on this board. We can get it. Thank you. 1 more and get it over with. Well, need 1 more to open the next one now. Saw that miner again. Well, nice. 3 more to open the next one. Let's keep breaking that glass. I either saw a minor or a major on the one over here. I don't know what it was. Come on. That was a major I saw on that one again. Come on, you got plenty of real estate. Need 2 more. Let's get it. Oh, I don't like the way it's spinning. Come on, let's get it. Just 1, save it. Saw another miner in that same area over here. It's all right. It's an ammo bonus, but it helps. Back-to-back bonus, another 52 bucks. Started with 60. That's why you do your backups. So $108 ahead.
Win big, DWT.
I will try Money Mat slots. Like I said, go check their channels out. Oh, just missed it again. $120, maybe $140, but $120 no matter what, because we doubled our money then. If I do $130, we got our $10 free play back too. Doesn't seem like it wants to hit, so I always switch my denoms. If you watch my channel, you know that. And get the volume. And don't forget, down on the bottom right corner here, click on that button there and you subscribe to my channel. I appreciate it. It's free. If you're already subscribed, thank you for being a subscriber. I appreciate it. Helps my channel out. Got it again. Dang, now we got our nickels. Slot is actually active. Back her up again. A little bit more in. I don't want to get people in. All right, here we go. We know what we need. We need those free ones that come up. Free games, come on. There we go. Free games and fireballs. Nice. Like to get something with them though. Come on, free games. Nice. $5 ball. Come on, keep giving us the free games. That's nice. Lanterns are wild, so I want to get those so we can go and nice whole big screen would be great right now. Come on, free games. Oh, don't start this. Got 1 spin left. Need the free games. Gotta save it here. Got 2 more. And another $5. Keep it going. Nice. Come on, free games and a whole bunch of wilds or orbs. There we go. We're not getting any money for it though. Just getting a lot of free games. Get a little hit there. Come on. Free games and a lot of orbs and wilds. Nice. That's exactly what I want right there. Yep, we're over $40. Come on, keep it going. I wish that would be a re-trigger and get the hold and spin bonus. Come on, free games. Got 2 left. We need more free games. Oh, don't peter out now. All right, thank you. Get another free game and some money in there. Nice, got 2 of them. Keep it going. All right, come on, we need the free games. Nice. Keep it going. Build it up slowly. All right, we need to save it here. We need to get some more games. Thank you. Come on, you free games. Nice. Come on, keep it going. Free games. Nope, that's the end, but I'm not going to complain on that at all. Leave about $75 on a $1 bet. $78.75. Start with $60 and $10 in free play, and we're up to $229. Where was that mini in that bonus? I don't know if you get the progressives in that though in the free games. Not sure. Let me know down in the chat. All right, it seemed to get cold. I'm just gonna do another $10, but we're gonna do it on 2 cent. I'm gonna do $3 bet. So I want to cash out at 210. All right, started with $60 cash, $10 in free play, cashing out 210. That was a great session. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the like button on the way out. I would appreciate it. Thank you very much. See you guys in the next one.
Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more new videos to come. And check out some of these videos if you haven't already. And don't forget, click on that bell so you don't miss a single video. See you on the next one.